Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Madhvi Vash from Bharat Homeopathy. Today I am going to talk about a silent yet deadly condition that affects billions of people across the world, that is atherosclerosis. If you are curious to know what exactly clogs your arteries or how you can naturally prevent heart blockages, this video is for you. We will discuss what atherosclerosis is, why it happens, what its early warning signs are, and most importantly, the best natural and medical ways to prevent it. So make sure you watch this video till the end because your heart health truly depends on what you learn today. See, atherosclerosis is a disease of the arteries, which are the blood vessels that carry oxygen and nutrients from your heart to the rest of your body. If I talk in simple terms, atherosclerosis happens when your arteries become narrow and stiff due to the buildup of plaque. Now, the question is, what is plaque and how is it formed? Plaque is a sticky fatty deposit made up of cholesterol, calcium, fat and other substances found in the blood. Over time, this plaque hardens and narrows the arteries, restricting the blood flow to vital organs, especially the heart and brain. When blood flow becomes severely restricted, it can lead to serious conditions like heart attack, stroke or peripheral artery disease. You can think of it like this. If your arteries are pipelines, then atherosclerosis is the gradual clogging of those pipes. Eventually, if not cleaned, the flow stops and that's when life-threatening complications occur. Now, let's talk about the main cause and risk factors of atherosclerosis. The first cause could be high LDL cholesterol, which is the bad cholesterol that forms plaque inside the arteries. The second cause can be high blood pressure or hypertension. It damages the artery walls, making them more prone to plaque buildup. Now the third is smoking and tobacco use. Nicotine damages the blood vessels and lowers oxygen in the blood. An unhealthy diet is the biggest cause of plaque buildup. Eating processed food, fried snacks, red meat and sugar leads to cholesterol imbalance. Diabetes and insulin resistance can also be responsible for atherosclerosis. High blood sugar damages blood vessels and promotes plaque accumulation. The sixth is obesity. It increases cholesterol and blood pressure, worsening arterial health. A sedentary lifestyle can also be a reason for plaque formation in the arteries. Lack of physical activity weakens your heart and circulation. Chronic inflammation from infections, autoimmune conditions like SLE and rheumatoid arthritis, or poor diet accelerates plaque buildup. The ninth reason for atherosclerosis could be family history and genetics. If your parents or siblings had heart disease early in life, your risk is higher. Chronic stress is the main cause of cardiovascular disorders. It elevates cortisol, which raises blood pressure and cholesterol. Alright, so we have discussed the condition, cause and risk factors. Now let's talk about how you can detect whether you have atherosclerosis or what tests your doctor will advise. So, we advise our patients to undergo the following medical tests. Blood test to check cholesterol and triglyceride level, ECG, that is electrocardiogram to measure heart rate, echocardiogram to visualize heart structure, angiography or CT angiogram to view blockages in the arteries, ankle brachial index ABI to assess blood flow in legs. Now comes the most important part, how can you prevent atherosclerosis naturally? Let's talk about proven lifestyle and dietary changes that can clean, protect and strengthen your arteries. The first change is the dietary changes. You should include anti-inflammatory foods in your diet that naturally reduce cholesterol and inflammation. You can add green leafy vegetables, berries, pomegranates, and citrus fruits. Whole grains like oats, barley, quinoa, and brown rice are packed with soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol. You should consume healthy fats like omega-3 and lean protein, especially plant-based like soy products. Green tea or black coffee with no sugar and milk will be a great option in the morning. Now, the second tip is to exercise regularly. You should engage in at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily, like brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Exercise helps increase HDL, improve blood circulation, and maintain body weight. Even small daily movements, taking stairs, walking after meals, can make a huge difference over time. Smoking is one of the fastest ways to damage arteries. It increases plaque formation and thickens the blood. Quit smoking today. It's the single most effective step you can take to prevent heart blockages. Alcohol, if consumed, should be limited. It should not be more than one small drink a day for women and 2 for men. Now, the fourth and very important tip is to keep your blood pressure below 120 by 80 mmHg and maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. High BP and diabetes directly damage the arterial lining, accelerating atherosclerosis. You should monitor them regularly and control through diet and stress management. Chronic stress raises cortisol, which increases cholesterol and blood pressure. It is very important to lower stress if you want a healthy heart. You can practice meditation, deep breathing, yoga, and spending time in nature. These not only relax your mind but also help maintain heart rhythm and blood pressure. Lack of quality sleep leads to high inflammation and hormonal imbalance, raising your risk of heart disease. You must aim for 7 to 8 hours of sound sleep every night. Now, come to the most important part of the video. It is how you can prevent or even reverse atherosclerosis with natural and holistic treatment. Plaque buildup can be prevented with the Bharat homeopathic medicines, which help reduce the bad cholesterol from the blood and thus help widen the arteries and facilitate the regular blood flow through the arteries. We at Bharat Homeopathy help more than 1,000 people reduce their cholesterol with our personalized and customized treatment that has no side effects and it is absolutely safe. We prescribe medicines only after a complete analysis of patient's condition and their constitution. We believe in holistic relief, not in just symptomatic relief. See, atherosclerosis is preventable with Bharat homeopathic treatment along with recommended diet and an active lifestyle. So friends, remember, your arteries are the lifelines of your body. Keep them clean, flexible and healthy with the right lifestyle and natural care. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Heart Health Care Global YouTube channel for more such informative videos on natural healing and disease prevention. Also, tell us in the comments which heart healthy habit are you going to start today. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste.